Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice atta at home. First, choose a high-quality, unpolished rice. Rinse it thoroughly under running water until the water runs clear, removing any starch or debris. Then, soak the rice in clean water for a minimum of 4 hours, or even overnight to soften the grains. After soaking, drain the rice completely, ensuring no excess water remains. Once drained, spread the rice in a single layer on a clean, dry cloth. You can use a cotton towel or a large tray. Let it air dry completely for several hours, or until there is absolutely no moisture left. The rice should feel dry to the touch, not sticky. This step is vital for achieving a fine, lump-free atta. You can use a fan to help accelerate drying. Now it's time to grind the dried rice. You can use a powerful mixer grinder at home or take it to a local flour mill. Grind the rice in small batches to ensure an even texture and prevent the grinder from overheating. Pulse the grinder rather than running it continuously. After grinding, sift the flour through a fine mesh sieve to remove any larger, unground particles. Any coarse particles left after sifting can be reground to achieve a finer atta. Once you have your desired consistency, spread the freshly ground rice atta on a tray to cool completely. This helps prevent moisture buildup. Finally, transfer the cooled rice atta into an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dry place, and it will stay fresh for several weeks, ready for your recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.